Hello friends, welcome to English channel. Today we will be discussing about 20 most important quotations from Romantic Age. Romantic Age begins from 1798 to 1837. Here in this video we have brought the 20 most important quotations which are often asked in exams. So let's begin. The flower that smells the sweetest is shy and lovely. This famous quotation is said by William Wordsworth. The next one is strongest mind are often those whom the noisy world hears the least. This famous quotation is taken from The Excursion. This work is written by William Wordsworth. The best portion of man's life in acts of kindness and love. This is also taken from Tintern Abbey by William Wordsworth. He prayeth best who loves best. This quotation or this line is said by S.T. Coleridge from Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Friends, as we know that William Wordsworth, Coleridge and Sade, these three poets are called the lake poet. The next one is poetry is the best word in the best order. This is taken from Biographia Literaria, and the Biographia Literaria, as we know, written by S.T. Coleridge, the very famous work. In this work, Coleridge has given the many concepts like willing suspension of disbelief. The next one is common sense in an uncommon degree is what the world calls wisdom. This is said by S.T. Coleridge. Next one is there was a time when earth and the sea and skies, the bright green vale and the forest dark races with all things lay before mine eyes in steady loveliness. This line is taken from The Mad Monk, and this work is written by S.T. Coleridge again. Live as long as you may. The first 20 years are the longest half of your life. This famous line is given by Robert Sade. The next one is curses are like young chickens, they always come home to roast. This famous line is given by Robert Sade in his famous work Curse of Kahama. A poet is the nightingale who sits in darkness and shines to cheer. This famous quotation is given by P.B. Shelley in his famous work A Defense of Poetry and Other Essays. The most important line, the more we study, the more we discover our ignorance. This quotation is given by P.B. Shelley in his famous work The Revolt of Islam. This line is very connecting. This is one of my favorite line also. The next one is poetry is the record of the best and happiest moment of the happiest and the best mind. This famous line is given by P.B. Shelley. The next one and 13th one is I fall on the thorn, I bleed. So this famous quotation is given by P.B. Shelley in his famous Ode to West Wind. This famous line is often asked in exams. We should definitely remember it. The next one is our sweetest song are those or our sweetest song are there that tell our saddest thoughts. This quotation is given by P.B. Shelley again to A Skylark is a work. The next one is poetry is wording the brightest thoughts and should appear almost a remembrance. This famous quotation is given by the Prince of Poet, of course, John Keats. Or this quotation is taken from Letter by John Keats. The next one is a very famous quote by John Keats Of course, heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. By John Keats, Ode to a Grecian Urn, or Ode on a Grecian Urn. This work is also very famous, often asked in exams. There are many quotations in this poem. The next one is Love is my religion, I could die for it. This famous quotation or famous quote is quoted by John Keats in his famous work Love Letter to Fanny Brown. Number 18th one, nothing used becomes real till it is experienced. This famous quote is also quoted by John Keats in his work Letter by Keats to Other or Letter to George Keats. The next one is the great art of life is sensation, to feel that we exist even in pain. So this is also very famous quote is quoted by Lord Byron. Last but not the least, his very famous line, it's strange but true, for truth is always strange. Very connecting line is given by Lord Byron in his famous work Don Juan or Don Juan. So that is all friends. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.